Hello and greetings and welcome back to my iBLOG. Today, a very serious topic. I want to give you a professional advice about education. Your parents work hard. Why? So you can have a good education. It's very important because when I was at school, I didn't do too well with the teachers. That's why my fraternising of the interfastics, they can computerize the situation that I was in at school. That is what caused me to be brighter than the teacher. That is why I stay in school longer than everyone else. Another thing that happened for me at school was the only thing I passed was a rugby ball. You know, my family said to me, did I only go to school to eat lunch? I said, no. I also went to eat my friend's lunch. Anyway, these are the things I want you to know. Stay in school as long as you can. Make sure you read your book, eat your vegetables like me. That's how you can tell my body's in the vegetable shape. Just enjoy your time at school, make a heaps of friends, and make sure you make the best of that opportunity of education. So look after yourself, do heaps of mess, listen to your parents. Education is number one. Teach yourself before you can teach yourself. Thank you very much. Keep it up. Read the book. Number one, Fresh TV, best in the world. Thank you much. See you next time.